Unfold your phone's potential. Does a lot in one hand with its 6.2-inch cover. Screen.1 Unfolded, the 7.6-inch main screen lets you really get into the zone. 2 Pushback bezels plus an even more camouflaged under-display camera means there are no lines or black dots getting between you and the breathtaking Infinity Flex display. Wipe out tasks in fewer taps. Add apps to the taskbar for quick navigation and bouncing between windows when you're in the groove. And with App Pair, one tap launches up to 3 apps, all sharing one super productive screen. 3. Whether toggling between texts or catching up on emails, take full advantage of the expansive main screen with multi-view. The most powerful PC in your pocket optimizes apps with one UI to give you menus and more in one glance. From the inside out, Fold 4 is made with materials that are not only stunning but stand up to whatever life throws your way. The front and rear panels are made of the strongest glass on a foldable device, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Add in the Armor aluminum frame, and this is our most durable foldable smartphone yet.
Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Leave your comment and suggestion in the comment section.